we divide 895 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 3. So now we put down this 9 and it is 39. 5 times 7 is 35. On subtracting we get 4. So again we put down this 5 and it is 45. So 5 times 9 is 45. On subtracting we get 0. So 895 divided by 5 is 179. So this much for today and thanks for watching.